Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in great shape. Looks amazing. Beautiful blue color, LT package, all-wheel drive. Really nice. It's got about 9,000 miles on the clock. Really amazing condition. Let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, very nice. Look at that. Really in amazing shape. Let's take a look at the headlamp here. On the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Down below, lower lights in beautiful shape. Grill's in beautiful condition, super clean. Take a look at the other headlamp, also in beautiful condition. Lower lights in beautiful shape. Lower piece looks good. Does have a little scuff right here. We can try to clean that up for you, touch it up. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Very nice shape, super clean throughout. Looks amazing. Front fender on the driver's side looks really nice. Clean throughout, beautiful condition. Taking a look at the driver door in the front, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, looks amazing. Rear hatch in the back looks good. Very nice condition, super clean, really in great shape. All right, taking a look at the quarter panel here on the passenger side, looks amazing, super clean. Taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side, super clean, looks amazing. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side in beautiful shape. Take a quick look at the windshield here. Don't see any chips or anything on it, looks very nice. Let's take a look at the roof real quick. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, really in great shape. All right, that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. Really in nice condition. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape, amazing condition. All the controls for the power windows and mirrors. Rear power hatch controller, power. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Looks super clean throughout, very nice. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, looks amazing. Really in beautiful condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Beautiful condition throughout, looks amazing. Really in nice shape. All right, taking a look at the front seat. Front seat on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, looks amazing. Really in great shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Really amazing shape, look at that, very nice. Take a look at the rear seat. Rear seats look nice. Clean and in beautiful condition. Full set of floor mats, very nice. Down below here, USB connection right here, and a power plug there for 120, very nice. Nice accessories. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel, beautiful condition throughout, looks amazing, very nice. Take a look at the rear seat on this side, beautiful condition, really in nice shape, super clean. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner looks good, beautiful condition, very nice, amazing shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package all-wheel drive. Let's go ahead and take a look at the key fob on this one. Lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. Super nice. I'm going to set the key down here in the cup holder. This one has a push button start right there, so we're going to go ahead and press the brake and push the button to start it. Here we go. Starts up perfect. Amazing. Look at that. Beautiful display. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Okay, well, this one has 9,281 miles. Super nice. This one's an all-wheel drive. So we're going to go ahead and press the button here and put the four-wheel drive on, if you can see when it shifts over there. it went to all-wheel drive. See that? It's got a button here to go ahead and set that up. Also has this button for sport. This for the lane, the keep lane. There's the bypass for the engine and the traction control. So we just put it on all-wheel drive there. See right there on the bottom it says all-wheel drive. If I press it again, it'll go to two-wheel drive. Okay, so we have the RPMs here. We can accelerate it. You can see the RPMs go up. Super nice. Fuel gauge, compass on the top left. On the bottom right, you can see the temperature, the mileage, and it's in park, and we have 191 miles till empty. Then that little car there on the right, that's telling you the distance that you are from the vehicle in front of you when you're driving. Super nice. So let me show you another little feature here. This one has different screens for the cluster. So I'm going to go ahead and go through them right now if you can see them. So that's gauges 1. I'm going to press number 2. That's a different setup there. Looks super nice also. And press it again. And go to number 3. That's super nice there. And we'll press it again here. And then we'll go back up to number 1. We'll leave it on that one for now. Okay, it's super nice. Look at that. All right, so let's take a look at the turning signals. Fully functional there. The highlights also. Then you have your front and rear wipers controls right there. Automatic lights outside here. You've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have control here for the rear hatch. It's got a little storage compartment there. Okay, cruise control here. This here sets up the distance for the collision alert in the front, so we'll press that. So you can set up a different distance of gap. Further away is better, so it stops faster. Then you have this button here, that's for the heated steering wheel. This is all for the cruise control. On this side here, it's control for the radio, and you can shift through these little things here. It also has your volume control here on this side, and on your other side you have the station controls right here. Okay, so steering wheel is leather wrapped, looks amazing. Nice feature, look at that. Looks amazing, very nice. All right, dashboard looks beautiful. Take a look, very nice. Really nice condition. Information center, we'll go back to that in a moment. Let's go down here. We have the air conditioning controls. This is for the fan on the right hand side. And this one has one temperature for climate. So it's a one zone climate control. This is for the heated seats. Super nice. Driver and passenger in the front have heated seats. That's a nice feature. Defrost, and for the vents. Down below here we have your USBs, power plug. Below there, if your phone is can wireless charge, you could just set it down there and it'll charge for you. Okay, take a look at those controllers there, the all-wheel drive, sport, traction control, and the keep lane alert right there, and the engine bypass. Okay, so we're looking at the automatic transmission. Super nice. Taking a look here, parking brake, cup holders, little pocket there for storage, another little tray here for storage down beneath there, a bunch of storage down there. Super nice. Looks like this is an automatically dimming mirror, so that's really nice. It's a nice extra. Up above here you have your courtesy lights here. This is the controller for when the doors are open for the lights, your OnStar, your passenger airbag alert there. Vanity mirror for the passenger and for the driver with light. Super nice. We have the owner's manuals right here for this vehicle. Super nice. All right, let's take a quick look at the roof on this one. Roof is in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition on the liner. Okay, that's pretty much it for this. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the information center. So we're sitting on the home screen right now. I'm going to go into settings really quick, and we're going to take a look at some of the settings here. This is the system settings for the vehicle. So right there you can see the units or whatever if you want to set them up differently. Here's the vehicle settings. You got your team driver, your rear seat reminder, your climate control quality, collision detection will go in there. Let's take a look at all the safety features this one has. This one has automatic braking, front pedestrian braking, lane change alert, parking assist, rear backup camera with symbols, and rear cross traffic alert. That's super nice. So we got a lot of safety features on this one. And this, you can control the power locks and all that, and the door locks and all that. So here's for the apps. So here's the audio, the phone, and the OnStar. So we'll go back to home again. Now we're going to go ahead and check out. This is the climate control screen. Super nice, beautiful screen. Let's go back again. This is for the vehicle. It shows you the trip computer, the economy. Shows you gauges here for the coolant temperature, the battery voltage, trip computer. That's too nice, too nice. Tire pressure sensors, oil life. Okay, let's go back here again. No phone's connected now, but if it was, you'll be able to see it there. And this is the radio settings. Right now it's on FM radio. If we click here, we can change it to AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, or you can add your device in Bluetooth. Go back again. All right, super nice. All right, that's pretty much it on the interior of this one. We're going to go ahead and take this one for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. Really nice, good acceleration. Feels super smooth. Really beautiful display there on the RPMs. So nice, look at that. Really great drive. Super quick. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn here. Brakes amazing, feels super smooth. So quick. Here we go. Back out into the street. Here we go. Really amazing drive. Now we're going to go ahead and test out our backup camera, show you that functioning, and then we'll conclude our test drive. There we go. Gonna find a little spot here to back up. There we go. All right, so now I put in reverse. Backup camera will show up right there. Look at that. Just roll it back. Here we go. Fantastic. It's got those lines there, show you which way you're going. So this one also has a big plus. It has a parking assist in the back. So right here on the cluster, it lights up right there when you're getting close to something. See that? So I'm going to go a little closer here. See? It shows you what you're getting close to. Super nice. I'm guessing it's looking at that fence that's a little bit far away. So there you go. Fantastic. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and take a look at those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the rear hatch. This one has a power hatch, super nice. Remote is lock, unlock, remote start, and power hatch with panic. So we're going to press this twice. There goes the hatch right there. Super nice. All right, let's take a look inside here. Cargo area is in beautiful shape, looks super clean, very nice. It's got a little LED light there. A little bit of storage there on the side. Also on this side, very nice. Down below there, spare tire. Beneath that, it has a little subwoofer. And that's the jack over there with all the tools. Really nice. All right, let's go ahead and close the door. It's got a button right here. We'll press it. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood here. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Looks amazing. Really nice. Brand new 25. It's got about 9,000 miles on the clock. It looks amazing under the hood. Look at this. Very nice. All right, let's take a look here. The bottom of the hood. Beautiful shape. Let's look at the emission sticker here. Very nice. Looks amazing. Super, super clean. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here. On the driver's side, tires in beautiful condition. Looks super nice. A lot of tread on there. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Really beautiful condition throughout. Amazing. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tires in amazing condition. Super clean. Brand new. Look at that. Tire tread looks amazing. Rim is clean, not a mark on it. Look at this. Very nice condition. Amazing shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire's in beautiful condition. Brand new tire. Look at that. Amazing shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Does have a small little mark right here on the edge and a couple little marks over here, but besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire's in beautiful condition. A lot of tread on there. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in good shape. Does have an imperfection here and here. Besides, that's in really nice condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package all-wheel drive. Vehicle's in beautiful conditions. It's got about 9,000 miles on the clock. Really amazing shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.